Weird and bizarre history facts you won't learn anywhere else. The first person to be executed by lethal injection was Gary Gilmore in 1977. He chose this method of execution because he said he didn't want to spend the rest of my life in a cage. The longest war in history was between the Netherlands and the Isles of Scilly. It lasted from 1651 to 1986, a total of 335 years. The world's first recorded traffic jam occurred in London in 1862. It was caused by a horse-drawn carriage that broke down. During World War II, a Great Dane named Juliana was awarded the Blue Cross Medal. She extinguished an incendiary bomb by peeing on it.